to a new video where today we're going to be talking about the top 5 drones to buy in 2017. So we have 5 different drones pulled up right here, and you can pick whichever one you think would be best for you. So first, right now we have the Eachine E20 mini UFO quadcopter drone. Now this is probably the best mini drone. It's really durable, really fast, and you can do stunts and stuff. It's overall really good.
And we have a review on it on our channel, so go check it out.
Next up, we have the DJI Phantom 3 Standard. So this is like the best all-around drone. It's not super expensive, but it's also pretty, it's not a budget drone either. So it's about $500, but if you can afford it, it's definitely really, really good. And if you want to shell out even more, there's the DJI Mavic Pro for $1,000, which can record 4K. It's the best drone. It's portable, but it's also double the price.
Yeah. It folds up, and it's a really nice drone.
Yes, but so the DJI Standard can record at 2.7K. Just overall really good. You go really high, all that stuff. And then for budget drone, we have the Holystone F181 RC quadcopter drone. Now this is really good because it has pretty good camera, really good control and handling, so it's really good for beginners, and also just like really cheap and just really good bang for your buck. So yeah.
So we have one for the people that really are kind of into drones. We have the Eachine Wizard X220. It is a racing drone, and we got the bundle ready to fly pack. So it comes with a transmitter, battery, ton of spare propellers, and the drone. So it's basically all ready to run. I'm not 100% sure. You might have to do some programming on it, but if you know how to do that, this is definitely the one that you want to get.
Finally, we have the Cheerio U845 Wi-Fi RC headless quadcopter drone. Now this is just one of those drones if you want something completely out of the ordinary and completely different. It has 6 propellers instead of 4, and it's got this UFO design. So it's basically just a normal drone, but it has a kind of unique design, and it's still really good, really durable, and has good handling and stuff. So it'll be very good for a budget or beginner. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video, and we'll see you guys next time.